Hello, everyone. Welcome to Art of Decor, your weekly escape into the world of beautiful interiors, minimal aesthetics, and modern living. Today, we're exploring something simple, elegant, and increasingly popular: modern wooden wall shelf designs that go far beyond storage. These shelves are practical, stylish, and turn empty walls into expressions of art and personality. Let's begin with a design trend that's reshaping interior spaces in 2025: vertical wooden slat backdrops paired with minimalist shelves. These slatted walls, made from natural oak or walnut, not only offer texture but also structure. They add rhythm and sophistication, especially when paired with clean, horizontal shelving supported by slim black metal brackets. The contrast between natural wood and industrial elements makes the entire design feel modern and timeless. Now let's talk about the heart of these designs: plants and greenery. In almost every shelf system, you'll find carefully placed aloe vera, ferns, pothos, and succulents, each housed in soft toned ceramic pots. These plants do more than just decorate. They breathe life into your space, filter the air, and create a calming, grounded atmosphere. Whether placed on floating shelves or hanging from hooks, greenery brings balance to clean lines and neutral palettes. Another key feature: lighting. Many of these wooden shelves include integrated warm white LED strip lights either under each tier or within the slats. This not only creates beautiful ambient lighting in the evenings but also highlights the grain and texture of the wood, making the shelves feel more premium and luxurious. It's not just what you see, it's how the space makes you feel. One of the most creative styles we've seen is the grid style wooden shelf design, a symmetrical wall piece composed of square wooden compartments. Each square is softly lit from the inside, and when decorated with minimal items like candles, tiny plants, or books, the entire shelf transforms into a stunning visual centerpiece. It's more than furniture, it's architectural art. And if you're working with a small space, don't worry. These designs are made to be space saving and compact. Wall mounted solutions with asymmetrical patterns, step style shelves, or circular arrangements help you make the most out of every inch. Whether you live in a studio apartment or a large home, there's a design that fits your lifestyle while still delivering elegance. So, what makes these wooden wall shelf ideas truly luxurious? It's the simplicity, the materials, the lighting, and most of all, the intention behind the design. Every element is placed with purpose. It's not clutter, it's curation. And finally, it's about self expression. Through lighting, materials, layout, and accessories, you're telling your story. Whether you prefer light oak or dark walnut, soft green walls or matte grays, your choices define the atmosphere of your space. This is the modern approach to living: less about quantity, more about quality. If you're designing your own wall shelf display, begin with the theme or function. Ask yourself, do I want to showcase books, plants, or art? Then pick your wood finish, choose quality hardware, and don't forget the lighting. And remember, choose timeless over trendy, because real luxury never goes out of style. We work really hard to bring you these beautifully curated ideas, scripts, and designs to inspire your next dream space. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment to let us know your favorite style, and subscribe to Art of Decor for more weekly inspirations on modern living. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep designing beautifully.